Now I will continue with situation 3 or scenario 3, whereby you have your production is less than sales. In this case, you can see from the statement of profit or loss, statement number 5 and 6, you have the net profit reported under MC as 112065 and the net profit reported under AC is 110765. In other words, the net profit reported under AC is lower compared to the reported profit under marginal costing approach. So, what do you have in situation 3? In situation 3, you have your opening stock and closing stock, but I want to highlight your opening stock in this case. So if to understand this better, let's look at my Excel example just now. In this case, you have your opening stock. In scenario 3, for your marginal costing approach, you have, I hold my closing stock constant. I just want to highlight the effect on your opening stock. If let's say you have opening stock of 10, so your opening stock is valued lower under MC, what's the effect on your cost of goods sold? Your cost of goods sold will be lower and thus your profit will be higher. So if you look here, when we have more opening stock at the beginning of the period, the lower valuation of opening stock under MC, that means MC valued at 14.25 just now and AC valued at 15.25. So the lower valuation of your opening stock under MC will result in a lower cost of goods sold. So if you have lower cost of goods sold, of course, it will give you a higher profit of MC compared to your AC. Alternatively, you can explain it from the AC perspective. Means you can explain it from here. That means you can say a higher profit reported under, a higher opening stock reported under absorption costing will result in a higher cost of goods sold. Therefore, it gives you a lower profit. So, alternatively, you can explain when we have more opening stock at the beginning of the period. So, the higher valuation of opening stock under AC in this case, you have 15.25. So, 15.25 is higher compared to your 14.25 just now. So, a higher valuation of your opening stock under absorption costing will result in a higher COGS and thus it will give a lower profit compared to MC. So to sum it up, you need to understand these three different scenarios. In scenario 1, you have your production equals to sales. When your production equals to your sales, that means your net profit reported under MC and AC remains the same. But if you have increase in your closing stock, your net profit reported under MC will be lower or the net profit reported under AC will be higher, and the other way around, when you have your opening stock, the net profit reported under MC will be higher and the net profit reported under AC will be lower.